Hi, I'm Parker Allen. It's todayinlighting.com, Tuesday, 11 November. We are sponsored by Lightovation, 1 million square feet of lighting solutions at Dallas Market Center. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Ohio-based Best Lighting Products claims 2 employees at its Chinese subsidiary used company tooling and expertise to start a competing business. The case highlights the risks U.S. manufacturers face when overseas partners exploit intellectual property. You can learn more on edisonreport.com. The University of Bergen's new lecture hall features human-centric lighting that offers morning light therapy to help students combat seasonal affective disorder. The space also serves as a research environment to study how light affects alertness, performance, and well-being. Read more on designinglightingglobal.com. LiGHT 25 in London starts in 1 week, offering high-end lighting innovations, CPD-accredited talks, networking, and immersive installations. Highlights include the new Technical Zone, Associations Lounge, and Revision Light Art, bringing together designers, engineers, and industry leaders. Details are on designinglightingglobal.com. Keystone Technologies is hiring a distributor territory manager for Ohio and Michigan to drive product demand, train sales agencies, and build long-term customer relationships. The role involves market analysis, travel, and promoting Keystone's Light Made Easy promise. Learn more and apply on edisonreport.com. And with an end to the shutdown in sight, the markets responded positively yesterday. The Dow was up 382 points, the NASDAQ was up 523, and Orion was up almost 25%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day, and pray for peace.